Hi everybody, I wanted to come on to show you a quick, professional, natural hairstyle that is super easy and it only takes about less than 5 minutes to do. This is a style, super simple. If you want to see how I do this style, my hair is medium length. If you want to see how I do this style, just stay tuned. Alright, so you're going to start with your hair stretched out. My hair's been in a braid out and I separated one front section off. Today I'm using Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. No, this is a souffle, just kidding. I'm using the souffle to smooth my hair out. You may see me looking away, but right now I'm just spraying my hair with water and applying the smoothie, and I have one section off in the front. So I'm just applying this to my hair. And now I'm using my hard bristle brush to brush my hair out, get those edges looking smooth so you don't go out looking crazy. I'm applying more of the souffle, and I didn't want to use like a hard gel because I didn't want my hair to be hard after this. So I'm just using this souffle for a light hold. I'm watching the news. I'm getting ready because on this particular day we had some really bad weather in my area. We had tornado watches and warnings, and I'm going through. I'm coughing on this video. So now I am taking the ponytail twister that I have on my hair and I'm pulling my hair back into a low bun. You want to secure this low bun and try your best to make sure that there are no flyaways. You don't have any pieces of hair sticking out or anything like that. Secure it in a low bun. You want a low bun. You want to make sure it's not messy. So now I'm going to show you one style that you can create. In this video I am going to show you two styles, but I'm going to show you one style right here. With this style you're just going to simply create a swoop bang. You need one bobby pin. I'm applying the bobby pin in now, and I have worn my hair like this before. It's totally cute, and I just wore it out like this. But today in this style, I'm going to take it a step further, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a flat twist with the front section of my hair. So now I want to spray some more water for moisture, and I'm just flat twisting. Sorry that I'm not in frame for this flat twist, but I am no flat twist expert. I've just learned from YouTube over the last four and a half years that I've been natural enough to get by as far as flat twisting is concerned. So I'm just flat twisting the front section of hair. And these are two hairstyles that literally can be done in under 5 minutes. Seriously, in about 3 minutes when you get really good with creating these styles. So it's super easy. So I'm just flat twisting the front section of my hair now. I'm flat twisting it all the way down and being sure to catch up my edges as I flat twist it. So I'm twisting it all the way down to the end, and now I'm taking one bobby pin. I'm going to secure this behind my ear. This bobby pin will allow this style to be secure all day. You want to check for any flyaways, and I had flyaways and I wasn't really happy with the way my bun looked in the back. This is a finished look, but I wasn't happy with the way it looked. So what you're going to see next is when I actually redid it, because I just wasn't happy with the way it looked. So I had to redo the bun part. I didn't take down the front. I'm just redoing the bun part, trying to get it to look smoother because I had flyaways and it just didn't look smooth. So I'm turning around so you guys can hopefully see how I wrap it around and tuck my hair into this bun. It's a little hard to see with my collar back there, but really simple. And now I'm trying to make sure there are no flyaways and it just looks like a bun. I looked for flyaways, and the ones that I did have, I tucked them away. So now I'm done with it, using the brush again, and this is the finished look. This is what I looked like as I was heading out the door. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.